Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to withdraw from Metamask wallet to your bank account. First, select the network that you want to use. Click at the top. To withdraw your token, tap on Send button. After that, go to your Binance app. Go to your portfolio. Scroll down and search the crypto that you want to deposit. Tap on it, then click Deposit. Select the network that you want to use. After that, copy your address to deposit. And once you've done that, go back to Metamask. Paste the address, then click Next. Select the amount, and once it's done, click Next, then proceed to the process. After receiving your money from Metamask to Binance, the next step is to sell your crypto in fiat currency. To do that, tap the swap icon, select Sell Options, then select for the crypto that you want to sell. Once you're done, tap Sell, then proceed to the process. After selling your crypto into fiat, go back to your portfolio, tap Withdrawal, select Fiat tab, then you will see the fiat currency you can withdraw. I don't have mine, but if you do the step earlier, it will appear in here. Once you tap on it, it should be like this. In here, you can switch currency, and in the bottom will be your fiat options for withdrawal in your bank account. Once you're done, click Continue and proceed to the process. Then that's it. That's how you withdraw from Metamask to your bank account. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you on my next tutorials.